Hello students, welcome back. So in the previous video I had given you the first 6 questions of exercise 2.1. Now let us just check out the answers for them. Now the first question of this exercise is write the next 3 natural numbers after 10,999. What you have to do? You have to write the next 3 natural numbers. Now next means next 3. मतलब इसके आगे आने वाले जो 3 नेचुरल नंबर्स हैं वो लिखने हैं. तो 10,999 आफ्टर दिस व्हाट विल बी द नंबर. कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे? 1 ऐड करने से हमें जो नेक्स्ट नंबर मिलेगा, तो 1 ऐड करोगे यू विल गेट 11,000. दैट इज द नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट नंबर. सेकेंड नंबर इज 11,001. This is your second number, and the third number which will be there, that is 11,002. So these are the 3 numbers, the next 3 numbers after 10,999. Now next question number 2, write the 3 whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. इसमें क्या था? नेक्स्ट 3, इसके बाद आने वाले. और अब क्या है? होल नंबर्स अकरिंग जस्ट बिफोर, यानी 10,001 से पहले. बिफोर कितने नंबर्स लिखने हैं? 3 नंबर्स. सो व्हाट विल बी द नंबर्स बिफोर? नाउ 10,001 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? 10,000 आएगा. और 10,000 से पहले कौन सा आएगा? 9,999. and before 9,999 it is 9,998. so these are the 3 numbers just before 10,001. now which is the smallest whole number? Now I told you that what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are counting numbers including 0, starting from 0. So which will be the smallest whole number? The smallest whole number is 0. 0 is the smallest whole number. Now question number 4. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? Now what do you have to tell? How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? यानी 32 और 53 के बीच में कितने होल नंबर्स हैं ये आपको बताना है. तो इन बिटवीन में जब बताओगे तो आप न तो 32 को काउंट करोगे ना ही 53 को काउंट करोगे. काउंटिंग कहां से स्टार्ट करनी है? 33 से. और कहां तक लेनी है? 52 तक. तो फ्रॉम 33 अप टू 52 इफ यू काउंट द नंबर्स यू गेट 20 होल नंबर्स. There are 20 whole numbers between 32 and 53. Now next, question number 5 is write the successor of successor. I explained you what is successor. Successor means the next number, and how to get it? By adding 1. So successor of 24,40,701. Now what will be the successor of this? Successor का मतलब next number. तो इसका जो successor है वो क्या होगा? 24,40,702. It will be 24,40,702. Similarly, what is the successor of 1,199? A 1,199 का successor. Just add 1 to this. जब आप इसमें 1 ऐड करके लिखोगे you will get it as 1,200. 1,200 is the successor of 1,199. Then you have 10,99,999. Now what will be the successor of this? इसका जो successor है, again add 1 to it. If you add 1 you will get it as 11 lakh. So 11 lakh is successor of 10 lakh 99,999. Then you have 23 lakh 45,670. Now successor of this, it is 23 lakh 45,671. This is clear now. Now your question number 6. It says write the predecessor. Now you have to write the predecessor. So what will be the predecessor now? Predecessor means the number coming just before. इससे पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? So 94. Predecessor of 94 is 93. 10,000. The predecessor is 9,999. This is the predecessor. Then you have 2,08,090. 2,08,090. The predecessor becomes 2,08,089. It will be 2,08,089. Then you have 76,54,321. So predecessor of this, it will be 76,54,320. This is the predecessor. Now up to 6, hope you have done it also. Match your answers. If anything you have done wrong, then do correct it. And still if you have any doubt, let me know, we will discuss. Now question number 7. It says in each of the following pairs of numbers. You are given pairs of numbers. Two numbers are given. State which whole number is on the left of the other number on the number line. Now when we use a number line, you have to tell that out of these two numbers, which number will be towards the left and which number will be towards the right. Also write them with appropriate sign, greater than, less than between them. So there are two things to be told. One, you have to tell that which whole number is on the left, and second, you have to use these signs. This sign is for greater than and this sign is for less than or smaller than. So when you draw a number line, okay, what is number line? Number line is a line which contains numbers on it. Just simple way to take it as a number line is your ruler, the scale which you use. You have the countings on them. Where does it start from? It starts from 0 and then it carries on 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now the same way, when you draw the number line, you have to tell that which number comes first, 530, 530 or 503. So whichever the number is smaller, that will be towards the left, and whichever the number is greater, that will be towards the right. Okay, so in that case, now 530 and 503, which number is towards left? 503 is towards left. So you will write it first like this: 503 is towards left of 530, and you will also have to tell which sign will be used in between these two, 530 and 503. Which sign are you going to use? So which sign will be there? If you are taking 530 and 503, 530 is greater than 503. So these two answers you have to write down. One, which number will be towards the left, and then which sign you have to use, whether greater than or less than. So same way, 370 and 307, which will be towards the left? 307 will be towards left, and if you use the sign, again the first number is greater, so you will use the sign of greater. Here 98,765 and 56,789. So again, if you see here, the smaller will be towards the left, so 56,789 will be towards the left, and the sign which you are going to use here, the first number is greater than the second, so you will use greater than. Then here now, just count the number of digits, or say this is 98,30,415 and this is 1,23,001. So if you see here, this is the smaller number, so this will lie towards the left. This will be towards the left, and this is smaller than the next number, so which sign will be used? Less than or smaller than. So hope this thing is clear to you. Now let us also check the next question. The next question says, which of the following statements are true and which are false? You have to tell how many statements are true and how many are false. So just with this, if you go out, first is 0 is the smallest natural number. 0 is the smallest natural number. So if you see 0, is it a natural number? No. So this will be false. 0 is not the smallest natural number. Then 400 is the predecessor of 399. क्या 400 399 का predecessor है? No. Predecessor means which comes before. So this is again false. Then 0 is the smallest whole number. Yes, 0 is the smallest whole number, so it is true. 600 is the successor of 599. 600 599 का successor है. It is true. Successor means the number which comes after, and 600 comes after 599, so it is true. E part, all natural numbers are whole numbers. All the natural numbers are whole numbers. So if you remember, in the previous I had told you that all the natural numbers, they are whole numbers, so it is true. F part, all whole numbers are natural numbers. Natural numbers are whole numbers, this is true. But whole numbers are natural numbers, this is false. और मैंने आपको रीजन बताया था कि क्यों फॉल्स है, क्योंकि होल नंबर्स में क्या आता है? 0, जो कि नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है. तो इसलिए ऑल होल नंबर्स, सारे के सारे होल नंबर्स नेचुरल नहीं है. नेक्स्ट, द प्रेडिसेसर ऑफ ए 2-digit नंबर is never a single digit number. Predecessor यानी जो नंबर उससे पहले आता है, the number that comes before. So predecessor of a 2-digit number, 2-digit number का जो predecessor है, is never a single digit number. कभी भी एक digit number नहीं हो सकता. Is it true or false? Predecessor of 2-digit number is never a single digit. So this is false. Why false? Because predecessor of 10 का जो predecessor है वो क्या होता है? 9. 10 is a 2-digit number और 9 क्या है? 1-digit number. तो इसका मतलब 10 2-digit number का जो predecessor है वो 1-digit number हो सकता है, इसलिए ये false. Now next, 1 is the smallest whole number. Is 1 the smallest whole number? No, the smallest whole number is 0. So again this is false. Next, the natural number 1 has no predecessor. Natural number 1 has no predecessor. अब natural number हमें मालूम है कि 1 है, ठीक है. Natural number 1 has no predecessor. तो जब हम नेचुरल नंबर की बात कर रहे हैं तो नेचुरल नंबर में स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर कौन सा होता है? 1 ही होता है, और नेचुरल नंबर के तौर पे 1 का कोई प्रेडिसेसर नहीं होता है, इसलिए ये क्या है? ट्रू। अगर उन्होंने होल नंबर कहा होता, दैट होल नंबर 1, देन देयर इज प्रेडिसेसर। जैसे यहाँ है द होल नंबर 1 हैज नो प्रेडिसेसर। अब जब होल नंबर कह रहे हैं तो होल नंबर में 1 का प्रेडिसेसर क्या होता है? 0। सो दिस इज अगेन फॉल्स। तो होल नंबर का तो प्रेडिसेसर है, तो ये फॉल्स है। और नेचुरल नंबर 1 का प्रेडिसेसर नहीं है, ये ट्रू है। नेक्स्ट, द होल नंबर 13 lies between 11 and 12. Does 13 lie between 11 and 12? No. So this is also false. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. अब होल नंबर है, 0 है, तो 0 से नीचे, 0 से बिफोर कोई होल नंबर आता है? नहीं आता है। So this is true. The successor of a 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. अब जैसे हमने यहाँ किया था कि प्रेडिसेसर ऑफ 2-digit नंबर इज नेवर सिंगल डिजिट, तो 2-digit नंबर का प्रेडिसेसर क्या आया हमारे पास? सिंगल डिजिट आया ना। अब यहाँ ये पूछ रहे हैं कि सक्सेसर ऑफ 2-digit नंबर इज ऑलवेज 2-digit, कि 2-digit नंबर का सक्सेसर हमेशा 2-digit नंबर ही होगा। नो, इट इज फॉल्स। व्हाई फॉल्स? क्योंकि 99, द सक्सेसर ऑफ 99 इज 100, तो 99 तो 2-digit नंबर है, और 100 क्या है? 3-digit नंबर। सो सक्सेसर ऑफ ए 2-digit नंबर इज 3-digit नंबर ऑल्सो। जरूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा 2-digit नंबर ही आए, लेकिन 3-digit भी हो सकता है। सो दिस इज योर एक्सरसाइज 2.1 completed in your fair notebook. We'll meet again and we'll continue more about the properties of whole numbers. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you all. Jai Hind.